this week's Gambling Garage.
So you want to be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You got to hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
You got to pimp my ride.
Damn right.
You got to pimp my.
Have no fear, your boy X to the Z is here.
I'm building a house right now.
Oh.
Should I keep this in there?
What you be doing, man?
It's children's saddle, though. It's comfortable.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
That's so hood rich.
This is for roping basset hounds.
Basset hounds?
Yeah.
You've officially been pimp daddy. Stop doing that. Please stop.
What's up, ladies and dirtbags? Welcome back to another episode of Speedfreak Saturday. So once a year, Sturgis Buffalo Chip hosts the biggest motorcycle party in the world. And it just so happened that in 2018, they thought it'd be a good idea to call on a bunch of dirtbags on these Coleman mini bikes to come in and help kick off their newest edition, Camp Zero. The welcome was warm, the beers were cold, and within the first day we were already breaking shit. If mini bikes are breaking, you can bet your sweet ass one of them belongs to Gambler 500 Godfather Andy Minor Injuries Munson.
On YouTube, it's different.
Maybe it's just warming up. I'm not a mechanic or anything.
So that's where we're picking this one up. Andy's bike locked up in the middle of a public road, which we were not supposed to be on. And he got the tow of shame all the way back to camp, and we let the thing marinate overnight so we could get a fresh start on it in the morning.
Tools? Yeah, I think we do have tools.
What is that, 8mm?
CVT, yeah.
Nice. Yeah, torque converter just locked up.
Abra. Sweet.
Look
all
at
these
you, Ron. You got a save basket. A save basket for later.
No.
Good job.
Or that.
You just
Let's
need
just
one
pop
of
it
those.
back together,
This count.
and then we'll just put it back on there.
Oh my.
Here, why don't you pick those pieces out of there too?
Oh my. Oh, there's some more stuff in here.
It's like Christmas.
Christmas in Sturgis. Wow. Yeah, okay. Well. Oh, what's this?
Oh, there's
It's supposed to be there.
another one in
I didn't even know that existed. Not a real motor guy. I did not stay at a Holiday Inn last night. Huh. Well,
That looks like that wouldn't
I
do anything
would
now.
suppose that all this has to go back on there.
Could we just skip to putting this back on?
Fuck yeah.
And then it'll work.
Oh, yeah. We made it more efficient.
We just removed extra parts.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
They've taken our guns. They've taken our torque converters.
But they will never take our freedom.
So I'll just put this, get the straw out of there. Are we missing anything? And these are
I don't
this
feel
is
like
the way
we
they
are.
are? It just came apart.
Wait, no, it looked like something sheared off in one of them.
I don't know.
Oh, no.
I think
no,
we're good.
No, it's pressed
I
in
think
there.
we're good. Okay. How do you put this on there, though?
Oh, that's
What?
pretty mangled.
That's what she said.
Tragic mini bike accident.
Wait, hold on. This might fit.
That's where it goes.
That's how that works.
There it goes.
Get that in there with the...
We're down here with Jake's Mechanical Hour.
Here at Jake's Mechanical Corner.
There's your problem.
Fuck.
What do you got?
We think we've solved the mechanical issue, Tate, but we need you to take a look.
We found what's wrong with Andy's bike.
We need your professional opinion, though.
I don't know how the fuck it happened, so don't ask me. But this fell out of there, and we took the cover off. It's all fucked. It's all fucked. How the fuck? Oh man. But I think if we just cut that out of it, yeah, she'll be right as rain, boys.
I don't know. I don't think anything.
There's your problem, buddy.
Oh man.
Yeah, that sheared that off pretty good. That's quite deep.
So it
as
wasn't
well.
the dildo.
I don't think it was the dildo.
I'd like to see him wrestle that out of here.
From my cold, dead hands. Look how bendy this drill is.
Drill, baby, drill. Back in the saddle in no time.
Morning, Wildcat. I love you. They have bacon in South Dakota. How's your breakfast?
Oh man. Look at that. Yeah, yeah.
Is it out yet?
It's like a slow dance.
It's a man and his horse. Morning.
Look at that. We're gonna get this out. This is no problem. Look at that. Get it at like that angle. Oh, the gas tank just fell off. Look at that.
All the fucking way. Holy shit. Yeah, you need a new motor, broski.
No, it's still held on. Look.
Oh yeah, it's
That's
still got the
holding it on.
tube that
It's okay.
feeds the. Yeah, that's how you hold those on. We got an easy out here. Isaac, what do we do?
I'm just checking it out, taking it all in. Fuck the garbage.
It's just like the size of screwdriver I need for my jet.
You had those gloves the whole time?
Do we have easy answer?
Oh, dude, yeah.
I'm getting good.
Yeah, no, it's doing stuff and things.
I'm gonna try it.
On this week's Gambler Garage, will they make it before the storm rolls in?
Oh, you know, you spun the fuck out of it.
Whoa. Hey, buddy.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you're, what?
You got springs falling? What happened?
Crap.
That's
This
not
isn't-
good, buddy.
Oh, shit. You just-
You're toasted.
Where's this supposed to go?
Not in your hands.
Yeah, look at that. Like a glove. We need one more?
Yeah.
How the
Or
fuck
we
did it
can
get...
ride dirty with just one.
Yeah, you lost. Let's go down the road and find your springs.
And
You
it's
guys
probably next to the keys.
Putting a lot of
It's right next to the keys to our car. Yeah, it's fucked. It's all fucked.
Yeah,
So I feel like still though we could get this out.
Hey, you guys take a break and eat some of this.
oh, yeah.
Oh, yes. What'd you end up doing?
Well, we got the jet out.
What's the new problem that's come from that?
Well, the threads are a little hostile. Yeah, it just slides in, slides right out. But a bit of Teflon tape, I don't know, about 27 rounds should do it.
By my calculations.
Yeah, feels like about 27, yeah.
It's, it's an operation.
Fuck it.
Like,
Scalpel.
yeah, exactly.
JB weld it.
Yes.
Got some super glue?
What's
that? Super glue? Oh, gee, just freaking dump it. Good. The carb's pretty much
Wouldn't hurt.
junk.
Loctite? Anyone have red Loctite?
Yeah, I do.
Does it like
Goddamn.
does it engage whatsoever? Or?
No, it just goes.
Oh.
But you got Teflon tape and not JB Weld? That's like the fix-all.
Now I will tell you, Buster, that I ain't a fan of cussing. And the general, he don't ride well anymore. To some he was a hero, but to me his score was 0. and the general, he don't ride well anymore. Now Custer done his fighting without too much exciting, and the general, he don't ride well anymore. General Custer come in pumping when the men were out a hunting, but the general, he don't ride well anymore.
That was some hairy shit.
That was a hairy shit. We're here in Sturgis, South Dakota, over here by the compost and manure mix, about to do some gambler repair. We got the mini bike on the back of the truck. This is how far we can go.
So we're almost there.
We're almost there. Should we buy a cord? I should just buy a cord, because then we can drill right there.
Yeah, it's either that or wait for this guy to leave. And then drive up onto the sidewalk.
Yeah.
I took a broken bolt out once, seen it on TV.
Borrowing that drill?
Yeah. It's $10 for 4 hours.
The little Hollywood magic.
Do you think we're going to need the 24-hour rental, or is the 4-hour going to be enough?
Oh, what was that?
Oh, that was our.
Whoops. What's Matt doing up there? Taking a nap on the roof, right?
We now have some of this inside, something else on this side.
That's fine. It's probably not important. We got anything else strong to stick in there? Screwdriver?
Yeah, I could do another one.
Put a wrench. Will a wrench fit?
Oh, you're going that well?
I got it. Maybe. Oh, wow.
You put your back into it? Put your back into it. Put your back.
Yeah!
Oh, no way!
Fucking right.
Alright. Hell yeah.
That's right,
Oh,
bitch.
man.
Put that shit on a necklace. It's like a fucking houndstooth.
Oh, man.
Fuck yeah.
St. Riley.
Super religious.
Things are taking a
In
dark
every
turn.
picture.
How to do the right thing the wrong way with the right tools. Cross thread her in real tight. Make sure she don't come out.
Man.
Oh, it's like that.
It's like a jigsaw puzzle.
Oh, and this looks like it would go on there.
How'd you figure that out so fast?
I just looked at it. Gonna be back in the saddle in no time. Back in the saddle in no time.
Deja vu.
What did you just say?
Nothing, just had a little deja vu.
Got it.
Oh, yeah.
Just give her a test whirl. Send it.
Perfect.
It lives.
Mission accomplished.
What'd I tell you? Bunch of dirtbags. So after all those technical difficulties, we ended up having a killer week at Camp Zero. Did some number of miles of a 100-mile mini bike enduro. Andy went on to ride the mountain with his face.
I rode the mountain with my face.
Don't tell mom.
And we all lived to party another day. So thanks for coming along, friends. Join the cult. Grab a t-shirt, grab a hoodie. Help us make more bad decisions for your entertainment. And we'll catch you on the next Speedfreak Saturday.
With victories he was swimming, he killed children, dogs, and women. But the general, he don't ride well anymore. Crazy horse sent out to call the Sitting Bull and Gall. And the general, he don't ride well anymore.
Alright, you wanna go to that race I was gonna do next weekend?
Now Custer split his men. Well, he won't do that again. 'cause the general, he don't ride well anymore.
Holy shit.
12,000 warriors waited, they were unanticipated, and the general, he don't ride well anymore.
He got hamstring.
It's not called an Indian victory, but a bloody massacre. And the general, he don't ride well anymore. There might have been more enthusing if us Indians had been losing, but the general, he don't ride well anymore.
Helmet or the cowboy hat? Well, kind of a 2-for-1.
General George A. Custer, oh, his yeller hair had luster, but the general, he don't ride well anymore. For now the general's silent, he got barbared, violent, and the general, he don't ride well anymore. Oh, the general, he don't ride well anymore.
Yeah, Sturgis. I was like, holy smokes, this is how they do it.